Today we'll talk about medication for the dry cough. Here we basically use Benadryl DR. DR stands for the dry. It contains dextromethorphan, which basically acts as a cough suppressant. It's used in the sore throat and the dry cough. Okay. The second one is in Grillintus, which is also used in the dry cough, which contain dextromethorphan, chlorpheniramine, guaifenesin and ammonium chloride, which basically used in both the cough, that is wet and dry. Another one is in Tuscu DX. Here DX stands for the dextromethorphan. It contains along with dextromethorphan, chlorpheniramine and phenylephrine. The common side effects for these are the hallucination and sedation. Thank you.